Web Associates is proud to announce their first Costa Rican client, Arkkosoft. Arkkosoft is based here in San Jose. We're going to go in and we're going to meet the folks and we're going to see their operation.
This row is for Unisys software development, this row. But in the other two rows, they are working on the IBM Mainframe. See the black screen?
Yes.
Some of them are working on web.
So the teams send to them all the, for example, the documentation about the testing or about requirements. So they put together all the documents that the client asks us at the end of
A little bit through what we got. We have our mission and our vision. I think these are like our main how do you say,
Targets.
the north that we are all trying to follow.
Uh-huh.
Okay, and we try to align the company and the company culture toward to meet these goals for us. So our mission, we want to continue delivering to the industry information to the industry information technology solutions based on our technical capabilities, our business formality, and our well-known experience. This is one of our actually most valuable strength. I would say our experience is 18 years doing multiple platforms, high challenging and performance sites. We are a company that have, as I mentioned yesterday, more than 18 years doing business with multiple platforms, very high performance projects, and that integrates with mainframes and everything that we already went through yesterday. So
Well,
I'm not going to go
I
very
think
much into this.
I think that in the States, and obviously the video I'm filming will be up on our corporate site and YouTube, a lot of the U.S. companies have the legacy IBM mainframes. They have the older systems, but they obviously need to get to the future, and they need to do it. And you guys will help build the bridge. So I think
Sure.
your core strength in doing that, your ability to do that, is going to be very attractive to the U.S. customers that we bring to you.
John, I really think so, because we do a lot of modernizations in the applications with ISE, the telecommunication company here in Costa Rica. And we also add functionality to the back office and to the front office, toward facing their customer needs. So therefore we have had to develop a lot of web applications, high transactionality that integrates with the mainframes. And most recently we have had to start getting into the mobile technologies also. And we have already developed some applications that also integrates with the legacy systems.
No, we saw the Macs and we saw some of the applications that you're working on. So
Yeah,
it's very
it's
good.
too bad that I don't have my senior architect today here because he is at it's on site, one of our clients. Maybe if he comes back before you leave, you'll get to meet him. He's the guy that is in charge of continuing researching for new technologies, training. He is the one that is in charge of the training program. So all the knowledge that he achieves, he can expand it to the rest of the engineers that we got here.
Wonderful, wonderful.
We got 90 engineers, as I said.
Well,
with different skills.
Mainframe, the experience is there is a lack of people people that are used to work with mainframe platforms. So we are the only ones in, I think, in Costa Rica or in Central America who train people working with COBOL and COS platforms and all these black screen.
Yes.
The schools, the computing schools, they teach how to deal with web applications and graphic applications, but not to deal with the black screen. That's very important thing about
Yes.
us and COBOL and all this. I tell them always it's another world. It's another world, the black screen computer platforms.
Yes.
But
No.
we're used to that, and also with the web tools.
You know what is very interesting for our clients, and I think that that's what we really got for them, is that we have young people that know how to program web-based applications, but they also know it's like a bilingual thing. They also know
Yes.
the legacy systems,
Right.
right? So,
Right.
and it's very hard to find people with that
Because they're not
kind of
interested in the
technical
old stuff. They
skills.
want the new stuff.
And that's a
Right.
very interesting niche. I
Mhm.
mean,
It is.
the big companies that have the mainframes, they're not going to throw them away
No.
within the next
They
10
have
years.
invested millions of dollars
Yeah,
in that of
yeah.
all banks.
And if you want high performance, you have to go to a mainframe, right? So until you don't have another kind of technology that can do the same kind of performance, the mainframes are going to be
Right.
there.